Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix scroll bar not showing in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft Excel application on my computer, and as you can see that my scroll bar is not showing, and I'm going to show you how we can fix it. First thing first, we need to go to the file menu, and we're going to select the more option and tab option, and we're going to go to the advanced option. Okay, tap on the advanced, and you can scroll down until you find the display, this one, and you can activate the scroll bar right here. You can choose either you want to activate the horizontal scroll bar or vertical scroll bar, or both of them, and I'm just going to activate both of them like this, and then we're going to click on OK. And as you can see that the scroll bar has been shown on this Microsoft Excel. That's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can fix the scroll bar not showing in Excel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.